All right, welcome back to our honors geometry unit. I'm going to erase everything down here. Just give me a second. We're going to talk about number 3, scissors. Refer to the diagram to the right. AR is congruent to CR. DR is congruent to BR. Prove that AR plus DR equals CR plus BR. So notice what I want here. What is this? This is the segment addition. I'm adding segments up. So I always start with, let me make a little T there. I always start with my givens. What am I given? I'm given that AR is congruent to CR. I'm given that DR is congruent to BR. And I want to prove that AR plus DR equals CR plus BR. Well, this was given. But I have no numbers. I have no real information. All I have to go off of is these congruent statements. But what does it mean to be congruent? To be congruent, it means that they're equal. Looks like a Baskin-Robbins logo. So that is my definition of congruence, saying that if they're congruent, then they are equal. Okay. Now that I've got that they're equal, I'm going to need to do some segment addition because that's our big lesson for today, segment addition. Well, what segment addition can I do with ARB? Well, I can say that AR plus RB equals AB. And I can say that CR plus RD equals CD. Okay, so I've done my givens, I've done the definition, I've done segment addition postulate. Then the last thing I have to do, since there's nothing really left to do here, I need to check if I can substitute any known values in from earlier. Can I look at step 2 and substitute anything from step 2 in? Well, I know that AR equals CR. I know that DR equals BR. And I want to get AR plus DR equals CR plus BR. Okay, well, I can always plug in. Let's just try everything at once. Why is that not? Oh, that's why. Let's see what we do. What do we get if I put in CR here for AR and DR here for BR or RB? Well, let's see. I would get CR plus DR equals AB. And I would get CR plus DR equals CD. Well, hold on. That means that that was by substitution. I substituted in some known values. But hold on. If that's true, then AB equals CD. And I can't count. That should also be by substitution as well. But I have 2 number 5s on my right side. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Make that a 4. So now that I know that AB is congruent to CD, then I'm going to look all the way back, and I know this gets a little bit tedious. I'm going to look all the way back at step 3. Let me change colors here. I'm going to look all the way back at step 3. AB and CD are the same, which means that I can say AR plus BR equals CR plus DR, because these things are equal to AB and CD, or sorry, these things are equal to AB and CD as well. And I know that AB is equal to CD, so I just plug in this stuff here, because these are the same, so I can substitute in this for this, and I end up with AR plus BR equals CR plus DR. Again by substitution. My goodness, that's so much substitution. Then the last thing I want to talk about is I'm not quite there. I wanted AR plus DR, so that's got to change, equals CR plus BR, so that has to change. Okay, so I'm going to have to go back to steps 2 and 3 again. And what do I find but AR equals CR? And DR equals BR. Well, this doesn't really help me right now, but if DR equals BR, then this can become what I want. It can become DR. And this can become what I want. That can become BR. And if I do that, then I get AR plus, that's not what I wanted, plus DR equals CR plus BR. Again by substitution. So the trick here is every single time you get stuck in your proof, keep looking back at steps 2 and 3 to see what in the world could I substitute in. If you're not sure what to do, just keep substituting in new values until you get closer and closer to your proof. All right, let me know what questions you got, and I will see you